Hey guys, so today for my number talk, I know it's a little weird, it's virtual, not really in the class. I wish I got to do in the class, but sadly Corona took that away. But anyways, the concept that we're going to be talking about today for my number talk is counting on. So what I want you to do is just to think about this equation here for a second. 6 plus 2, and I want you to think about the different ways you could go about solving this problem, or whichever way your mind takes you to solve this problem. Alright, so most of you, if whoever's watching, probably know that the answer is 8. And there are a few different ways we go about solving this problem, and I'm going to talk about the different ways maybe students give their answers for this. So the first way I said that students would probably go about solving this problem that we would talk about is using our fingers. And in elementary school we usually are like shunned away from doing this, but apparently now it's a great thing because we're accessible to them, so why not use them? So we could start with the number 6 because the equation is 6 plus 2, and then add 2 more, which would be 7, and then 8, and then reach our number of 8. So I'm going to write that down as our first, as fingers. Okay, and then for our second one, we would do a number line. So that's a number line, 0 through 9. And we would start at 6, hop twice, and get to 8. And then 8 would be our answer. This might be a way that a student finds their answer. This isn't the most efficient way because it does take a long time to draw the number line and stuff, but it still is good because they're still reaching the answer of 8. The next way I said that students might answer this would be by dots or tallies, whichever. But for dots, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they start out with dots like that, the group of 5, and then the 6th one right there, and then add 2 more. 7, 8. So they reach it like that. Another tool that students may use to find these answers is a 10 frame, which the 10 frame is a great tool, but same as the number line, it isn't the fastest way to reach the answer. Another thing I would do after asking these questions was to ask the student if they knew 2 plus 6 to see if they understood the commutative property, and then I would ask if they knew 8 minus 6 to see if they could draw the connection between the inverse relationships, to see their knowledge between those two things, because they obviously have all the key components if they answered 6 plus 2. Those would be my extensions for the student. If this was a number talk, I would ask them what they learned today or any new information, and we would end our number talk, and that's it. Bye, thanks.